Now, let's find the first initial of your last name on this list. For example, if your last name starts with the letter J, then your last name as a pirate would be McWinky. So you could be a Stinky McWinky. Whew. Now, my last name starts with the letter R, so I would be Crimson Battlehog, the red fighting pig. Now, listen. If you're not happy with your pirate name, this is a creative writing workshop after all, so you can really choose whichever name you like. First names from the other list can be last names from this list can be first names. Maybe there's a word you'd like to use that's not on either of these lists, and that's totally fine too. It's important for you to like your pirate name because you may decide to use it for your story, and your name may change as you start to develop your ideas. Now, as you start to look over these words, there may be some that you don't know. In fact, I didn't know the definition of swashbuckler, so I decided to look it up in my trusty dictionary, and I discovered that the definition of swashbuckler is a swaggering swordsman or swordswoman. Swaggering means that a person is walking kind of in a bragging way or acting too confident. The swashbuckler was a swaggering swordsman. Now that is a fun sentence. Let's go back to our word list. Now some are just silly made-up words. For example, you won't find skunkbeard in the dictionary, and you won't find foggy bottom. Now I thought that hornswoggle was also a silly made-up word, but I decided to look it up anyway. And I discovered that hornswoggle is a real word, and it means to cheat or to swindle somebody. So here we have another swa word. We've got swashbucklers and swindlers and hornswogglers. Now, it's time for you to grab a circle and find your last name. And after you're finished, I'll see you on the next slide when I've given you even more bonus pirate words. See you there.